If you want to remove a payment method from Zelle, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Look for options related to your account of payment methods. Step 3. Select payment methods. In account settings, find and select the option for payment methods. This section will display all the payment methods currently linked to your Zelle account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to access more details and options related to this specific payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the payment method is successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove payment methods from your Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle support for assistance.